In this video, we will make a very powerful, natural liquid booster for your plants, something you can easily prepare at home using simple fermentation. This will help your plants grow stronger roots and healthier leaves. It will improve flowering and fruit production, and it will also feed beneficial microbes in the soil so your plants stay healthy in the long run. So, let's start with the tutorial. First, we will take the peels from about 6 to 8 bananas. Put them in a blender and add just a little water, only enough to help the blender run smoothly. Then blend it all into a nice thick paste. You don't want it too watery. Just a thick paste is perfect because it will ferment better and all the nutrients will stay concentrated. Once the paste is ready, take 2 separate containers. These can be plastic jars, buckets, anything that is non-metal. Add a small amount of water in each container first, then put the banana paste into them. Mix everything well so the paste spreads evenly and there are no big lumps. This step is important because it helps the fermentation start properly and ensures that everything breaks down nicely over time. Now, we will make 2 different versions. In the first container, we will add some unpasteurized milk and mix it properly with the paste. Stir it well until everything looks combined. In the second container, we will add brown sugar water. First, dissolve the brown sugar in a little water, then add it to the container and mix it thoroughly. Both these mixtures will ferment, but in slightly different ways, giving you 2 types of nutrient-rich liquids for your plants. After mixing, cover both containers with a cloth. Do not use a tight lid. The cloth allows the gases produced during fermentation to escape, while keeping mosquitoes and other insects away. Tie the cloth with a rubber band or string so it stays in place. Keep the containers in a cool, shaded place where they will not be disturbed. Avoid putting them in direct sunlight, because too much heat can spoil the mixture. Now comes the waiting part. Let the containers sit for a few weeks. The longer you leave them, the more nutrients will be released and the better it will become. During this time, natural microbes will work on the banana paste and other ingredients, breaking them down and turning them into a liquid that plants can easily absorb. In the first few days, you may see some bubbles, and the smell will change as fermentation progresses. This is completely normal, so no need to worry. We have waited for about 3 weeks, and now you can see the change in color and texture. The mixture becomes darker and more liquid than before. This is a sign that fermentation has happened properly and your natural plant booster is ready. When it's time to use it, take one of the containers and pour it into a bucket. Fill the bucket with water and mix it well. Diluting it is very important because the solution is strong, and giving it directly to plants can be too much for the roots. Once diluted, you can water your plants with it just like normal. Pour it around the base of the plants so the nutrients reach the roots directly. Over time, you will notice the difference. Leaves will become greener, plants will grow stronger, and flowers and fruits will improve naturally. The best part is, you are not just feeding the plant, but also improving the soil. Beneficial microbes get nourished and help keep your plants healthy for a long time. The second container, you can keep for later use. Just store it in a shaded place and when needed, dilute it the same way before giving it to your plants.